Okay, so good morning. This is NelsonJM, and right now I'm trying to resolve the issue once and for all for those who are still having problem with uploading their cars. If you are still having problem and the problem stems from object reference not set to an instance of an object, this is the steps you are supposed to follow. Number one, you are supposed to check if the data on your car's entries are correct, the subjects are correct, and a lot of things have to be correct. Then secondly, you have to come to administration, come to remove car subject, select the cars here, because it's usually from the cars 1. If the cars 1 passes successfully, your cars 2 will pass also. Now let's say geography for instance. So in the case of those who had done their cars before, especially if you have not followed this step on the WAEC cars, then you will not be able to export your cars successfully. Even if you export, you will have an issue uploading it because the online system will be looking at some strange data that is coming from you. Now you see all these students here are listed under a particular subject, geography. I can remove all the student's name. That means geography will completely be removed from this school's subject. Now for those who are receiving object reference not set to an instance of an object, usually maybe you have a subject on this list that is written unavailable. You might have 2 or 3 subjects that are unavailable because of the subject changes and a lot of things. You might have an unavailable subject here. So in order to avoid that, please make sure that the subjects you are listing here are correct. And if you have any unavailable subject here, select that unavailable subject and proceed to remove. Allow the system to do its things, and when it is done, you are going to receive your cars done successfully. You are going to be able to export your cars without an issue. Now if this procedure fails, you have checked the students and the students details are correct, their subject numbers are correct, their cars has been entered. You have come here and removed any subject that is having unavailable on it. Then the next process is what you are supposed to do. You would have to contact me on WhatsApp so that I would guide you through a lot of things. We will have to check your database, and the checking of that database will cost you 5,000 naira. And I can also help you to upload the cars 1 so that you continue with the cars 2. So what are we supposed to do? You are going to open your Windows Explorer. That is the browser for the it's just like your file manager. You open your Windows Explorer, then you come to your C drive, local disk C. When you come to local disk C, if you are on Windows 11, make sure you click on this view, and you see under this show, click on this hidden items. If you are on Windows 10, you would see a view menu up here. Click on the view menu. You would see hidden files somewhere around this location. Somewhere around here you see something, hidden files. Now you will come to users, then this username will usually be the username of your system, then you come to app data. When you visit app data, you now come to local. This folder down here called WAEC data, you enter the folder and copy this file for me. You see I have 3 because there are other datas that are not mine. So you would send this file for me, this CAS offline 32 for me. If you send this file, I'll be able to trace your issue and resolve it for you without any problem, so that you can be able to do the rest of your CAS and successfully register your students without any issue. So if there's any question, feel free to contact me on the WhatsApp number that will be displayed on the screen. And also, if you are one of those who are watching our videos regularly, please endeavor to support us financially using the account number on your screen. Thank you.